how to bulk delete Facebook posts. If you would like to bulk delete Facebook posts, maybe you have multiple posts and you want to delete most of them at once, it's very simple. After you launch Facebook, simply go to your profile page, tap on the three dots icon next to your edit profile button, then go to activity log. Now when you go to activity log, you can go to this option called public post and tap on it. Here you will see all the posts that you've ever made. So you can select all of these, right? And once you select all, then you can hit the trash icon that you can see right over here. Otherwise, you'll also directly find the option called manage post. Here you'll find all the posts that you've ever created and you can also filter them accordingly. Then after you've done that, you can simply select all of these posts at once, right? So all the posts that you created ever on Facebook, then you can tap the trash icon from the bottom in order to bulk delete all of these at once. You can do this right by using the Facebook app without the help of any third-party apps as well. That's all it takes for us to bulk delete Facebook posts. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in our next video.